So, hello everyone. Myself Kamlesh Rajendra Nursenda, and today's date is 1st of April 2024. And my today's video topic is a non-technical topic. So the topic of my name is my name of topic is Digital India. So let me talk about Digital India. So Digital India is a campaign that is launched by our India's government for promoting the technological advancement of our Indian nation. So the aim of this Digital India campaign is that every citizen has of the nation has the basic availability of electronic devices like mobile phone, and second is the provide high speed internet access in all the rural area of our Indian nation. So the Digital India campaign was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on the date of 1st of July 2015. And the motto of this campaign is the power to empower is the main motto of this campaign. So the name of this campaign suggests that one of the major motive of this campaign is to digitalize our India. So the government of India launched this program to help every Indian citizen by letting them easily access of all the government services with the utilization of the internet and high speed data. So the Digital India can be defined as a flagship program of our government of India with the strong vision for converting India into our digital empowered nation and the knowledge economy. So the digital India digital infrastructure as a utility for our every Indian citizen is the first vision of the Digital India campaign. So with this campaign and with this under this vision of this campaign, the government of India is try to provide high speed internet as the core utility of every Indian citizen in order to smooth the online delivery of multiple services. So the by digitally connecting every rural area of our Indian nation through broadband and high speed internet, our Indian government can deliver electronic services to every Indian citizen with easily. So the digital locker, which is like a shareable private space on a public cloud, where the official document and our certificates issued by the government departments could be stored for easy online access, and is proposed to be provided under the vision of Digital India. And one of the main focus of this Digital India vision is the assurance of security and safety of cyberspace. So That's all about our today's video topic, that is the digital India. So thank you so much for watching my video.